it's Happymailqueen. Today I have some happy mail to share with you guys. I'm so excited. This actually arrived yesterday and I just had a very busy day. So anyway, I hadn't had a chance to do this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started because she sent me this huge happy birthday box. My birthday, just FYI, was last month. And last month I celebrated with my family, and it seems like I'm also celebrating in April because now I'm celebrating with my crafty friends. So let me go ahead and share what she sent me. First of all, on top of the box is this beautiful card. Yay! I did see her video on this. I didn't think it was for me, but she did mention that she did give me a hint that there's a little crown, so I was like, yes, it's mine. So I believe this is from one of her design packages, this stamped image. She used the stamp from, I'm not sure, I think it was Coco and Reno. I could be wrong, but I think that's what it is. Oh my gosh, look how pretty she made this card. I will leave her link in the description box, you guys. And I know she posted a recent video also because this month is her birthday. And it's funny because we both received our boxes yesterday. I actually sent her a couple of boxes and she's already done a video on one, which is the Easter goodies, but it has some birthdays items on it. So please give her some love and visit her channel and wish her a happy birthday because this is her birthday month. So anyway, she wrote me this super long happy birthday card. It's so sweet. And for those of you who don't know, Sophia and I have been friends, oh my gosh, what did we say, like 6 years maybe? It's a long time. We've been besties for a long time. She is my bestie here in the West Coast, and Erica is my bestie in the East Coast. That's Scrap Diva 29. So anyway, she had gone to Joann's, and so she did get me some of these cut aparts. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, girl. Oh, and she got me 2 of these. Fun. And this is from the Buenos Dias. I just did a video on that if you guys want to check that out, because I did order some from Frank Garcia Studio. Okay guys, this box is huge, so this might be a long video. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a part 2, but just stay tuned, okay? First of all, she has all this yummy what are these? Crinkle paper. Super sweet. Oh, and look, she did mention that she was going to put this in my package, or she was going to get it for me anyway. These are the chenille yarn. Oh my gosh, it's so soft too. Thank you for getting this for me. I hadn't seen it at my Dollar Tree. Of course, I don't go there quite often, but anyway, thank you so much. Oh, she got me a purple one too. I love it. The white, yay, and the yellow. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but I did see, I think it was this Mama Loves Disney. I think she did something with this. I haven't watched it yet, but I did see it. Where I think she made tassels out of them. Oh my god, yay! I saw her video and where she shared this, and I thought it was the cutest die ever. I mean, oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. This is what I love. I love the little animal with a birthday hat. Oh my gosh, so cute. And I'm not sure, I think this might be from her In Love Arts, maybe. Oh, and look, you guys, she gave me some beads. And I think these are some of them are Dollar Tree beads, and some of them are, let's just open it. I don't think I have these little itty bitty ones. And then this one's from the, oh no, this is not beads. These are like those little foam balls. Cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, are you seeing all this yumminess? Oh my gosh, look. Oh, I love this. Okay, if you guys don't know Sophia, she does crochet. Look how cute this little, I don't have this die. It's so sweet. And look, oh, she is in on bonus design team, Live Love Scrap. And so I think that's probably maybe where she got the flair. That is such a cute bow. I will definitely reuse that. Oh my gosh, look you guys. She knitted me a cute little hat that I can put on top of something. I'm not sure if it's gonna hopefully work on my little, you know, those little marshmallow cups. Oh, this is so cute. Yay. Thank you for that. Oh my gosh, let me move stuff over, you guys. Let me move stuff over. Okay. How cute is that? Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, she loves making memory dex cards. I always have to think about it when I'm sending happy mail. Sometimes I include it, sometimes I don't. Lately I've been good and I have been making memory dex cards. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Oh, I need this die. Look how cute, you guys. And it looks like she used the, I think we used the same collection, which is the Maggie Holmes Sweet Story. Yes, look at that. I love it. I love her little tag on the back, or her little label. Oh, so cute. Look at the sequins. I love it. Oh my gosh. And then she gave me this bag here, Shine Bright, and it's a cosmetic bag. And she put, oh, that's cute. Look at this. They're felt garlands, and I could even use them as flags. Oh, this is great. Thank you so much. Yay. I might just use that on my upcoming projects. I am working on something, you guys. I just haven't had a chance to videotape it, but I'm working on embellishments right now. Look how cute these are. I can never get enough of these, you guys, and I love that I'm getting different colors. Like Erica has given me a gold one, Siv has given me another one. Oh my gosh, thank you, thank you. I love these. So pretty. Love those pens. Okay. Oh my gosh, look, you guys. Oh my gosh, I was trying not to watch her videos, but Sophia doesn't post a whole lot of videos. Like, she doesn't religiously post like some of us on YouTube, but she is pretty active on Instagram. And she is what is she on Instagram? Sophie09, Sophis09. Anyway, Paper Sweets on YouTube, but every once in a while she does post on YouTube. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's a little backpack slash purse, and she made this tassel. I think I saw something about her making some tassels. Ooh, I like that. I like that charm. Look at that pretty cute charm. Oh my gosh, this is adorable, girly. I've yet to make anything like this. Did you use a die? I don't know. Oh gosh, how do I open this? Oh, okay. So it has Velcro here, but then I think it also slides through. Yes. Okay, I don't want to like mess it up, you guys, but I have to open it because I'm sure she put some stuff in there. How adorable is that? So it has cute pockets in the front. So it has two pockets. Oh, look, and she gave me those fun tassels. Yay! Look at that. Oh my gosh, you're so funny because I used one of these too, I think, on one of your projects. I'm pretty sure I did. So cute. And she used the swan paper on the inside. Oh, this is gorgeous. Thank you. Look at how pretty that is. It's ribbon. And where is this ribbon from? Is this, I don't know, but it's really pretty. And then look, you guys. Oh my gosh, what's in here? Oh, they're these, like the cording, the faux leather, and I love this bow. This is so cute. Very Maggie Holmes. Is that the one I was using? I think that's a different bow. I whipped out a bunch of my bow dies. This is so cute. You gotta tell me. I don't think I have this one. I think the bows I have are bigger. So you have to tell me what bow die you use there, because I don't know if I have that one. Is that the Maggie Holmes one? I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, thank you, girly. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. This is so cute. I love it. Okay, let's put it over there. There's more. I'm already at 10 minutes. I might have to cut it in about 5 minutes here, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Yay. Oh, so look at these. These are picks. I think I did see some of these at oh, where was it? At the not the Dollar Tree. These are from Hobby Lobby, huh? Maybe. Those are so cute. Oh, you do have this die. Oh my gosh, here I was thinking you didn't have this die. So cute. I love it. Oh, and thank you for this. I do not have this die. This is one of the newer ones, I think. Oh my gosh, I love that little guy. Thank you. I love it. Oh my gosh, I will totally use it. And thank you for these stickers. Ooh, I love it. It's holographic. Yay. Here's another one, so let's open it. Thank you so much, Sophia. I love everything, which is a given because I know you are pretty amazing. You're an amazing crafter. Yay! So she got me the Magic Love, some of the elements from the Magic Love collection from Frank Garcia, and yay! I love this, and I didn't pick it up. I was going to, and then she said she was going to get it for me. I love this little bow right there. That's what I want to make. I think I saw Crafty Kimchi make something out of it. Oh, I love these flowers. Oh, perfect. I will use that on my project. These are the perfect colors. I love these. These are so pretty. And again, this is from Frank Garcia, and she did get it from his shop. I love these. Look at the little bunnies. And I know Easter is over, but spring is still here, you guys. So I hope I get a chance to play with this collection. Oh my gosh, here's the paper. I'm sure you guys have all seen it, but I'm gonna do like just a really quick look at the sheep. So this is a Valentine's. Oh, and I love these. Valentine's / Easter / spring. Look at all those. Oh my gosh. I totally want to cut those. I don't know if I can. Love that paper. And I love Prima products because they do give you a lot per sheet. I think it's like 5. Is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4 for each design. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna open up one more, and then we are gonna go to part 2. Oh my gosh, look. Oh. I love these. I always have these in my house because my kids and my husband loves it, and my son and I love that coconut one. Thank you so much. This is so sweet. And look, she even put a little topper on that. How cute. I love this. Yes. And she used that yay. Oh, and look, she's really good about using her Nouveau drops. I am bad. I have not really used my Nouveau drops. And she stitched. All right, guys, I will be back with part 2. So make sure you watch that.